Our topic for this video is affinity audience. So we're going to cover over here in this video what is affinity audience, okay, and what comes under affinity audience and what kind of targeting you can do over here. So this is a part of your Google Ads, and under this affinity audience, we can target people on basis of their interests and habits. Under that, we have affinity audience and custom affinity audience. So as of now, we're going to cover affinity audience. So in affinity audience, I have already, let's say, categories available by Google to me. Okay, so I can see there were different categories available. On that basis, I can target people. Okay, and because of their interests and habits, on that basis, we can target people easily over here. So let's take an example of, let's say, food and dining. Under food and dining, I can target people like coffee shop regulars, cookie enthusiasts, fast food cravers, foodies, frequently dines out. So this kind of people I can easily target. Okay, over here. And the motto of targeting people over here in affinity audience is to make sure that we target the right audience and we reach out to the right people, and based on the interest and habit we can understand a lot. Okay, so this was all about the interest and habit your affinity audience, and this is like a very important concept which will help you a lot to let's Google Ads while doing audience targeting. So I hope this is clear. You got multiple options over here. You can target on home and garden, lifestyle, shoppers, technology, travel. Getting it. For example, let's say I have to target people who are very rich. So now I don't, let's say, have a household income option over here which I can target. Okay, so I need to go with a different option. So I can go with the lifestyle and hobbies. So if they're a brand freak, something like that, I can target them. So I can see over here under the, let's say if I go to shoppers, see, I can see over here luxury shoppers. Getting it. So I can target rich people on basis of their habits, what they do, the interest and the behavior, what they do. So this is how we, let's say, do the targeting for our business, for our brand. So I hope affinity audience is very clear to you.